Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that promise to transform your grooming routine. Today, we're reviewing the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 with Connectivity Hybrid Face Plus Body Groomer. If you're someone who wants an all-in-one solution for trimming, shaving, and body grooming with the added benefit of tech-driven precision, then this product could be your new go-to tool. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 is a versatile grooming tool designed for both the face and body. Featuring OneBlade technology, it promises an efficient shaving experience, even on longer hairs. The high-speed cutter moves at 12,000 times per minute, which sounds impressive for a razor, doesn't it? Coupled with a dual protection system that includes glide coating and rounded tips, the design aims to deliver a smoother, more comfortable shave. But does it deliver when it comes to real-world use? Let's break it down, starting with the features. The OneBlade 360 is equipped with an innovative 360 blade that moves in all directions. This feature helps maintain constant contact with the skin, allowing for easier maneuverability, especially in tricky areas. The idea here is to reduce the number of passes required for a close shave, which should result in less irritation. Plus, it's designed to trim hair and not the skin, so you get a nice, even shave without the nicks and cuts. The included accessories really enhance the OneBlade's functionality. It comes with a 5-in-1 adjustable comb that allows you to customize your beard length, a body comb for grooming sensitive areas, and a travel case for on-the-go use. A standout feature is the skin guard, which helps protect sensitive skin during body grooming, ensuring a safe, irritation-free experience. Real-world testing is where the OneBlade 360 truly shines. I found that incorporating it into my routine was seamless. It wasn't just about trimming. I used it for shaping my beard and even grooming body hair. The adjustable comb with settings ranging from 1 to 5 millimeters gives you the flexibility to maintain a consistent beard length or go for a close trim. And let's not forget, the dual-sided blade lets you create sharp edges without a hitch. As for the body grooming, it performed admirably in harder-to-reach spots like the back and chest. The flexible 360 blade was especially helpful for these areas, reducing the need for awkward angles. I also appreciated how gentle it was, especially with the skin guard, making the trimming process smoother on sensitive spots like underarms or the groin area. Now let's get into the pros and cons. The OneBlade 360 offers great performance overall. Its 360 blade technology makes it easy to handle, and I love the level of customization available through the app. The app provides real-time grooming insights, which felt very high-tech. The fact that it comes with a travel case and extra blades is a huge plus, adding to its long-term value. However, one downside I found is the learning curve of managing the app. While it's a useful feature, it takes a bit of getting used to, especially if you're not the most tech-savvy. Additionally, while the blade is highly effective, frequent blade replacements can add up over time. So while the initial investment might seem reasonable, you'll want to factor in the ongoing costs for replacements. In terms of value for money, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 offers a solid deal considering the range of functions it covers. With the 5-in-1 comb and body kit, it's a multi-purpose tool that can replace several other devices. The convenience of the app is a nice touch, too. However, the cost of replacing blades and maintaining the device is something to consider when weighing the value proposition. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options that might suit a different budget while still offering comparable performance. The Panasonic ERGB80S or the Bronze Series 5 are good options for those who want quality trimming and shaving without breaking the bank. However, neither of those products quite matches the versatility and app integration of the OneBlade 360. When it comes to build quality, the OneBlade 360 feels premium. It's lightweight, yet sturdy, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver around facial contours and tricky body areas. The travel case also makes it super convenient for those who are always on the move. In terms of longevity, I was impressed by how well the OneBlade 360 holds up after several uses. The performance didn't degrade with time, and I didn't notice any issues with the blade's sharpness. However, the longevity of the blades themselves is something to keep in mind. You'll need to replace the blade every 4 months or so, depending on how often you use it. As for customer support, Philips is known for offering responsive customer service, with clear guidance on blade replacement and any other concerns. They have a good reputation for handling product issues, should you run into any. In summary, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 with Connectivity Hybrid Face Plus Body Groomer is a highly versatile grooming tool that combines technology with practicality. The flexibility of the 360 blade, coupled with a comprehensive body kit, makes this product a strong contender in the market. However, the ongoing cost of replacement blades and the learning curve of the app might be deal breakers for some. But if you're someone who values convenience and multifunctional tools, it's definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.